tayo dito. Giniginaw na ako. Ang gwapo ng photographer. My God. Anong country kaya siya? Ginaw. Super ginaw. Buti meron dito ano, pa Starbucks. Kita ba ang meron din silang Starbucks sa. Hi mister. It's a video. It's getting colder and colder. Oh my God. How's the experience? Fantastic. It's like winter things. Like Grand Canyon. Everything looks fake when you're here. Now we haven't seen any whale. What I'm waiting is for a whale. Oh my God. Just one whale, please. I just need to see one whale. I'll be happy. What is it doing? Calling animals? A style of taking photographs or something. Lakad-lakad tayo. We're at the front of the ship right now. Si Captain nandiyan. Hello, Captain. We're waiting for the other glaciers. I think they're like 16 that we have to go through the whole night or until the night. So we're only up to 3 already. Tagal pa, malayo pa. Marami pa. You know. Dapat mag-YouTuber na lang ako. Mahilig naman ako mamasyal-masyal. Next day. 60 degrees. So cold, so cold. Okay, got to go. Refill the coffee. Bye.